Hi there, I'm Karen from Upright, and in this video, I will show you everything you need to know about your adhesives. I want to start by saying that the best way to measure your posture is by attaching the GO directly to your back. The way we do this is by using our adhesives. The Upright GO comes with a number of reusable adhesives. You'll be able to find one attached to your GO already. If you attach the GO to clean skin, you'll be able to use the adhesive anywhere from 3 to 10 times depending on your skin type. After you use your adhesive a few times, it will begin to lose its grip. That's why we've included some standard alcohol pads in the box for you to clean it. You can also use these alcohol pads to clean your skin. Just make sure that your skin and adhesives are dry before you attach the GO to your back. Once you feel the adhesive has lost its stick, it's time to replace it with a new one. Start by removing the old adhesive with the adhesive removal tool that comes with your device. If you don't have it, you can peel it off with your fingers. It's very important to make sure that nothing is left on the GO so that the new adhesive sticks well to your device. Now, grab a new adhesive and follow these 2 steps. 1. Peel the white cover off and stick it directly on your device. Once it's firmly on your GO, remove the green cover that says skin and attach the GO to your back. Here are some important tips about your adhesive usage. The adhesive doesn't stick well to sweaty skin or skin that has lotion on it. We recommend to train in the office or in a cool, closed environment. Once you're done training, we recommend placing the GO back in the case to make sure the adhesive stays clean. Finally, charge your device overnight so that it's ready to use. To learn more about how to use the Upright GO, check out our other YouTube videos or our help center in the app. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.